Good morning, everyone. It's Gail with Traders Help Desk, and I wanted to show you a trade I'm in that is on the Nasdaq. And the important thing to actually notice here, and number one, you're actually overextended over on the weekly chart. You've also had a I don't know why that's doing that. You've also had a divergence here. And if I draw that out, you can actually see from here to here, you're making higher highs. But over on the Stochastics, you're making a lower high. Okay. And then over on the 240, you also are overextended. And you have had a divergence. They have went back and tested the fast moving average and they're forming a bearish bar right now. I actually timed this over on the 5-minute chart. Now you can see that I have my target set down here at the previous low because I feel like they'll take it out. But what I need to see is that this ATR right here is actually broken. In other words, if they do not break it and they start back up, I'm probably just going to go ahead and take profits. So I'm going to pause the screen and we'll see what happened. In this case, I am using the 5-minute. We are not overextended yet. I think we will get here before we're overextended. If we do get here, that's my profit taking opportunity, which I am going to take profit because it will be overextended, which means it will retrace, and then I would get another entry into the downtrend again. Okay, I did this where we just have the 15-minute and the 5-minute up, so that way you can actually see the patterns a little bit better. Notice that you have a hidden divergence here. In other words, the price was showing a lower high, but the stochastics was showing a higher high. These are core concepts in developing these. You can see right now it's developing this bullish bar, and I don't like that because it means it's going to retrace, and I don't want it to retrace right now. I actually want it to continue down. If it retraces, I would always get another entry, but I don't want to give back profits. And there's about 2.5 minutes left in this bar. Okay, as you can see, we're developing that bullish bar that I didn't want. So I'm going to go ahead and close the position. And I wanted to make sure that you saw the risk to reward, and it was what I had on the live edge of the market. And you can see this was the risk, it's very visual, and this was the reward. Okay, so just visually you can see that I was able to achieve a lot more on the reward side versus the risk side. Now this may come back up and it may test around here. It could even go all the way back up to here and test. Okay, and that would be fine because that just gives me another entry point into this downtrend.